The Marquee tools, also called the marching ants, are composed of 4 different types: rectangles, ellipticals, single columns, and single rows. By using the Marquee tools, you can easily create selections that are in the form of these shapes. Let's start with the first tool option, the rectangular Marquee tool. To use the tool, simply click and drag to make a selection on the screen. If you want to make a square, you can hold down the Shift key while you drag to lock the width and height to the same size. You can hold down the Alt key to make the selection start from the middle of where you click and move outwards, rather than using the initial click as a corner. You can add to a selection, subtract from a selection, and intersect a selection with the icons on the top left of the screen. The feather option allows you to make the edge of your selection appear soft rather than a solid hard line. Let's say that we have a picture of a window. If we used a Marquee tool for a selection without feathering, it would appear like this, whereas feathering would result in something like this. Anti-aliasing is not available for the rectangular Marquee tool. It is only available for the elliptical Marquee tool. Anti-aliasing is necessary for round selections because pixels are square. Anti-aliasing helps smooth the jagged appearance of round objects to make them appear actually round. The different mode options allow you to control how a shape selection is made. For example, a fixed ratio setting at 1:1 will allow you to create a square without having to hold down the Shift key. A fixed size setting will allow you to make a selection with specific dimensions. The last option we have available is Select and Mask. Although Select and Mask is an option under these tools, it is rarely used for Marquee selections. The Select and Mask tool is most commonly used to select hair and fur, and will be further discussed in a lecture later on in the course.